So, you've been scouring the internet for those sweet last war redeemed codes, and now you're staring at your phone wondering where on earth to actually use them. Don't smash that screen just yet, because I'm about to walk you through it step by step. First, get yourself logged into the game. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile avatar. It's usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap that to access your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see a bunch of information, but what we're looking for is the settings menu. The icon usually looks like a gear or cog. Give that a tap. Now you're in the settings. Look for something that says gift code, redeem code, or something similar. It might be listed under basic or other settings. Found it. Click it. A new box will pop up where you can enter your code. Carefully type in the code, making sure you get all the letters and numbers right. Codes are case sensitive, so pay close attention to upper and lower case. Once you've entered the code, tap confirm or redeem. And that's it. If the code is valid, you'll get a pop-up confirming what you've redeemed. Enjoy your free rewards. So, there you have it. Now you can snag all those juicy freebies. If you learned something today, like the video. If you think I should make more last war tutorials, hit subscribe. If you've got some redeemed codes to share, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like. Happy gaming.